Good morning, guys. Today we go to the LeaderCast in Peachtree City. We're going to go to that, sit down, listen to a few people speak, try to hand out a bunch of business cards and stuff, but it's early. I mean, we woke up at like 6 o'clock and I'm like, I'm not a morning person at all. And since I'm not a morning person, that means that as much as I try to go to sleep early, I don't. So I really got like 3 to 4 hours of sleep last night, if that. It was probably around 3. You know, I can't go to sleep at all. I'm just a night owl, as they say. What's up, peeps? Alright, we were out the door at like 7. Heading to the LeaderCast event. And, well, breakfast first. The original Chick-fil-A. I guess not the original, but Chick-fil-A. You know what I mean. It's too early for this So this is what I gotta do. Luckily I got a red light, so I can kind of take my time a little bit. But it's just through the shirt. Normally I'm like driving with my knee and all this crap as I'm doing it, but today is working out good. Got a red light. So there is a Chick-fil-A van, and we stopped and got Chick-fil-A. Probably not the smartest idea, if they have Chick-fil-A in here. Which I'm assuming, since the van's here, that they do. Yeah, it's just day for it. Get people excited. Anyway, we are walking in, and I'll take you guys along. Here. They are about to make the announcement. And we are the weirdest people here by far. Definitely.
Welcome to LeaderCast 2014. We're so glad y'all are with us this morning.
So y'all stand up real quick, okay? Let me count down, and then if you'll hit play, you can remount behind us, okay? We're going to start off by waving. So, okay, wave both hands. Wave both hands. Okay? Turn to the person next to you. High five. Turn to the person on the other side. Give him a big hug. Okay, everybody bend down. Jump up. Turn around. Bend over. Shake your hiney. Alright, in case you haven't realized, there's no live feed. It's just fun to see what you get a crowd to do while you're killing 3 minutes to countdown. So.
We were on the last break for the LeaderCast here at Peachtree City Christian Church. Hold on, cut. So we were on the last break at the LeaderCast. Getting carried. So we were on the. So we were on the last break at the LeaderCast here at Peachtree City Christian Church, and. Raymond's just waking up. He fell asleep this morning at about 7:45. Yeah. It took me this long to realize that this says BU, right? And then when you open it up, if you can get the page not to stick, it actually, see? It actually says Beyond You, which is their theme. I'm texting this guy whose name is Kevin, and we're talking about doing pranks and sketches and stuff for you guys on YouTube. Check him out. He's got a website? Short Bus Heroes. Don't take any offense to that, but Short Bus Heroes is his website and comedy thing and all that. It's a pretty funny guy. Tomorrow we got the shoot. This guy's still talking.
The change that actually happens, the growth that actually happens.
Still listening.
When you look at something, you're trying to grow something.
That's why I hate wearing dress shirts. Eventually, if I wear them too long, they start like, am I red?
A little bit.
If I wear dress shirts for too long, the collar starts like making my neck rash out. Rash out. I'm rashing out. Anyway, I need some sleep.
Be cool, bro. Don't rash out.
Alright guys, we have just finished with the LeaderCast event. It looks like it's supposed to rain, which is going to suck if we got to load up. Alright, so it's pouring raining, and the bad thing is the majority of our equipment is in there, in the house, so that's bad news.
So, there's an 80% chance that it's already raining outside. And we came in like just in the nick of time. As soon as we pulled the trailer in here and got it locked on, the bottom opened out. And I mean, some people will say cats and dogs. I say giraffes and elephants.
Yeah, I hate giraffes.
I hate elephants.
I hate giraffes.
And that's why we get along so well.
I got sick of sticking my neck out for people. That's why I hate giraffes. So since the bottom fell out and we couldn't load up, we are now going to eat to kill a little bit of time so we can actually load up. So we are eating at the Dickies in Fayetteville, Georgia for the second time. It's a nice place. Woody Harrelson. We are at Walmart in the hair product section, I guess. And I see this Mane and Tail shampoo. I get the main part, but I'm a little confused about the tail part.
I guess it's made out of the same thing, theoretically.
Yeah. I don't think it's actually for horses.
I think I might need it.
What are you doing?
What part did you drill out? This whole contraption. This needs to be drilled off.
Alright, so we just got back from dinner and about to actually load up now because obviously it has stopped raining. Caitlin's here.
I don't need no vlogging.
So for those of you who do not know this, Raymond's last name is Wood. Hands off the wood. Bitch.
Look, don't touch.
That's right. Alright guys, I am editing this vlog right now. And I just realized I don't have to close for it. So this is me closing it out. Thanks again for watching. Please hit that like button. Just smash it. A little thumbs up there. Thanks for coming along and following us on our journey to building this company and becoming better leaders and watching people dance crazy dances and sing Let It Go horribly horrendous voice. Anyway, thanks for tuning in once again. Please subscribe and remember to always keep it cool.
Let it go,
Peace.
let it go.